Good morning. I am so tired. Not really, I'm just, in pain. Yeah, so today's the next day. Clearly, I'm still in the same outfit as the one that ended because I forgot to end it. I'm horrible at this. But ignore my dirty dishes. That's my husband's turn and he hasn't done them and I refuse to do them because it's his turn. Anyways, I'm gonna eat breakfast, relax a little bit, and then go get him lunch because he has to work a half day today. It's Saturday. And yeah, then we will do a lot of work because I slacked off yesterday and did nothing. So I have a lot to do today, a lot to film, a lot to edit. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get my breakfast made and get today started. I am having one of those days where I don't want to do anything. However, I did that yesterday. So it's 1 o'clock now. I need to get ready and get going. So I'm filming a tutorial, not a tutorial, a review on a mascara today. So I'm not gonna do any eyeshadow, so I figure we could just do my face together since I've been doing my eyes together lately. I have this zit that came in right on my lip. Anyways, I'm gonna put some moisturizer on. This is the Derma E Vitamin C Renewing Moisturizer. And I wasted so much of today. Mike gets off at 2 when he has to work a Saturday. So I have like an hour to bang out some content before he gets here. You ever get those moods? I get them and they last for like the whole weekend, which sucks because I need the weekend to film and do things, and I just get in those moods where I don't want to do anything. I just want to sit there, and then it's like I reflect and I'm like, I gotta do as I talk. Let's do a mixture of Too Faced Born This Way and the NARS Soft Matte. Too Faced is in Cloud, NARS is in Siberia. Anyways, let's talk as I do this. What was I saying? I don't know. I literally don't remember. That's how bad my memory is. I literally just got so sidetracked. I don't remember what I was talking about. I know I was talking about being lazy. Oh, okay, I remembered. I go through these spurts where I'm like, I don't want to do anything. I just want to sit here and watch YouTube and watch TV and do nothing. And it's just frustrating because then I'll go back and be like, okay, but look at your life. Like, there's nothing wrong with my life. Let me rephrase this before I sound ungrateful. There's nothing wrong with my life, but I do feel stuck, and I don't know how to explain it. Like, I want more from my life and I want a different career. Like, I would love to do YouTube full time. And so it's just things going through my mind like, I don't want to do anything, blah, I feel so blah, I hate this, I want that. But it's like, then get off your ass and go do it. Like I want YouTube to be a full-time career because I love doing it. But at the same time, it's like when I'm working full-time and doing this in the weekend or after work, it's like I bitch and complain about it, but it's like it's not gonna go anywhere for you and do what you want it to do if you're not doing it. Like, you have to do it. So I just had to mentally tell myself, get the hell off the couch. Since I'm so pale, I should probably do like a fair concealer. I feel like one of the fairest I have right now is the Dose of Colors in the shade 03 Fair. Yeah, I need something. I normally, like, over here I have my phone, which I think I've showed you a couple of times. I normally watch like a video or something, but obviously we can't do that. Can I look up like copyright Christmas music? Here we go. Copyright free Christmas music. Let's go. I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me powder. I bought the Laura Mercier, the Translucent Glow, but honestly, for the majority of the foundations I have, that thing is way too dark for me. So I've just been avoiding it. I tried to use it the other day and then I like stamped a dark spot there. It did not look good. Oh, this color works. So I got one more day off and then it's back to just pretty much makeup vlogs because I do nothing but go to work and come home. I think for bronzer, I'm just gonna go in with the Marc Jacobs Omega bronzer. This thing is expired, technically. So it says 12 months and I've had this way longer than a year. And that's as far as I've gotten. I'm gonna use this big fluffy brush from BH. I sometimes like it, so it's not very like precise. I don't know. I go through moods of like how I want my makeup. Alright, I like to take my bronzer, but this is kind of a big brush to do it, but oh well. And just put it on my eyes so they're not as bright. Should we do blush today? Why not? We'll do a little bit. I don't know if this is still available, but this is a Physicians Formula collection with Wiley Hong. I don't know how to say her name. Her. But I'm gonna use this color right here. It's just a very muted, like deep pink mauve shade. I love the smell of Physicians Formula. Let's do Anastasia and Nicole Guerrero. I think I'm just gonna go in with a mixture of this shade and this shade. When did this expire? Oh, this is expired too. I know they just relaunched not that long ago, maybe a couple of months ago, the collaboration all over again. But I still had this much, so I didn't feel like I should get more, but technically it is expired. I don't know, I feel like with powders on my face, I'm not too worried. It's more like liquids and creams that I'd be worried about how close the expiration is. I don't know, that's just my opinion. It's probably really wrong. Oh, well, it's my face. No problem, I guess, right? Let's set this. I think I'll use this today. It is the Dominique Cosmetics and JD Wadey 180 spray. I just hate that you can't feel it. Like, it's so fine that I don't even feel it on my face. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and stop here so that I can film the mascara. And then I'm also probably gonna film a Torrid video. And then I'll see you afterwards. I don't know what the hell I'm doing today. I know I'm gonna need to go to Target and return something I bought yesterday and pick up something I bought. So, probably see you on the Target run. I told you I'd see you later. We're going to Target. Sorry, the quality probably drastically changed because I'm on my phone. But that's because I don't want to carry a huge camera. So, Mike, how was work?
It was very, very slow, very boring today. Didn't do much, but I wanted to keep it that way. Trust me, I had like 50 people call.
Really?
Yeah. Can I get an appointment today?
You're a dick.
No, I'm not. I just don't take appointments the day of.
Yeah, we don't either. All right, probably maybe see you at Target, probably not, because, you know, phobia, or not phobia. What's the word? I guess phobia, technically. No, fear.
Oh.
Anyways, all right, bye.
Well, we just left Target, and the entire parking lot is full. There's one behind there, and it's full too. So out of all the times we have come to this Target, I don't think it's ever been that full. Unless it's this time of year.
Oh, what's wrong with the camera?
Yeah, it's a little fuzzy.
We got pink drinks.
There we go, nice and clean. Yeah, so I went to Starbucks while she went and did her return, and got some venti pink drinks because they're the most delicious thing in the world. Why?
I just feel like everyone's staring at me.
I don't care.
I know it. That's why I handed you the camera.
So yeah, I think we're gonna head home now, but we did a little. We pulled right up to Target and saw how busy it was, and we were trying to decide whether or not we should go in.
Okay, so I'm home now. Can I set this here? Oh God, don't fall, don't fall. No. Oh. Nope, nope, nope. That wasn't a good idea. You know what, we'll just use this as an armrest. Okay, I am home. Ignore the mattress behind me. We have nowhere to put it. I am just sitting here editing what I literally filmed today. But I keep getting an issue where it won't let me import videos that I've airdropped from my phone. It keeps saying there's not enough space, but it'll let me import stuff from the SD card, so clearly there's space. I want to throw this. Maybe it's time to invest in Final Cut Pro, Mike. It's $300. I know. And I feel like I don't do enough with my editing to like invest in that. You know what I mean? Like, my editing is very simplistic. Maybe I should step up my editing game, but I don't have time to do that. Anyways, these are my thoughts. I'm gonna get back to editing. I would time-lapse you because that'd be probably interesting-ish to watch, but I have nothing to set my phone on to see watch. So, I'm just gonna go back to editing. Okay. I'm gonna film, so quiet on set. Okay, I am a horrible vlogger. So what did you see? You saw Mike said something briefly about Target. Target was insane. I think I have a clip of just the menu of Texas Roadhouse. There's a new one that opened up by me, so we went there, which I think Texas Roadhouse is probably one of the best restaurants around here doing COVID, because you have to make the appointment online. You have to wait in your car until they're ready, and then they will take you, and there is plexiglass and things everywhere. I mean, like you were boxed in your little booth. Anyways, so we did that, and then we just watched a movie on Amazon Prime. What was the movie called? Ava, right? Yeah, there's a movie called Ava. Really good. Anyways, I need to take my makeup off. Oh, I'm out of my wipes over here. Okay, let's use Patrick Starr's One Size Go Woof. That is the end of today. I edited one video fully and have it uploaded to YouTube. So all I need to do tomorrow is edit like the description, put the thumbnail on it because I edited the thumbnail while it was downloading or importing, whatever. So I need to add that. I need to link all the products for you guys. And yeah, that video is actually already out by the time this is up. So if I can remember, I'll link it. Wow, this is cute. It is the Torrid video. Actually, the mascara video is probably also out, so I'll probably have linked it somewhere through this video. Oh, she's a bit psycho. A little psycho. I don't know why I'm making you watch this, so I will see you guys tomorrow.